Ever wondered what it takes to conquer a 100-ton Titan? In this video, we explore the world's most powerful forestry machines, 30-ton steel monsters that can dance through the densest forests. Get ready to experience the breathtaking feeling of witnessing modern logging technology. In the depths of the forest, the chainsaws roar like a symphony of power and courage. Mixed with the sharp sound is the powerful roar of giant logging machines, creating a scene that is both wild and enchanting. This is not just a job, it is a breathtaking adventure, where modern technology blends with more power and precision down to the millimeter. The loggers, the silent heroes of the green forest, not only conquer nature but also master dangerous challenges. Each swing of their saw, each pull of their winch is a combination of skill and experience. They are warriors, engineers, and artisans, performing a daring dance in the heart of the wild nature, in a place where even the smallest mistake can cost a life. They remain steadfast, brave, and passionate, carving their mark among the endless forest canopy. The large timber truck lumbered up the winding path, its sides laden with stacked logs. The roar of the engine mingled with the screeching of the tires on the rough road. Each wheel slowly turned, belching out black smoke, struggling to overcome the sharp turns and steep slopes. Amidst the majestic mountain scenery, the truck was like a resilient little ant, tirelessly overcoming the difficult challenges. The Hayes HDX is equipped with a high-performance hydrostatic drive system and a sturdy chassis that allows for optimal traction and stability. On uneven ground, C164 has a sophisticated computer-controlled harvest head ensures accurate log measurements and minimizes fiber damage. This technology advances contribute to increased productivity and reduced environmental impact in forestry. Franklin 405 is a modern wood tractor, designed to meet the needs of working in large forests. The machine stands out with a powerful engine, durable transmission system and advanced technology, helping to optimize work performance and save fuel. Komatsu 895 is Komatsu's most powerful and modern log forwarder. With its sturdy design, superior traction, and flexible operation, Komatsu 895 can transport large volumes of wood efficiently even in harsh terrain conditions. The fuel-efficient engine and advanced hydraulic system help the machine operate stably, minimizing environmental impact. This is the first choice for professional logging teams such as Team Jord and Scott. Oh my god, I just felt the ground shake as the trucker overturned. Who would have thought that a rock push could be so dramatic? The driver couldn't have anticipated this, and the slope created a huge blind spot which made things even more dangerous. Just one wrong move with such a load was a perfect recipe for disaster. Luckily no one was hurt this time.
떨어지?
The Dipperfox Stump Crusher 600 is a state-of-the-art, professional-grade machine designed to remove tree stumps quickly and efficiently. With its powerful crushing mechanism, the machine can crush the toughest tree stumps in seconds, saving time and money compared to traditional methods. It is ideal for forestry, road construction, or land reclamation projects, ensuring high performance and outstanding durability.
Cupoli in mezzo? Mamma mia, dove si... Chissà dove andremo a finire oggi.
The Fiat 1880 is a powerful agricultural tractor, often used for heavy-duty work such as logging in the forest. With a 6-cylinder diesel engine, with a capacity of about 180 horsepower, this tractor is designed to work effectively on difficult terrain. The Fiat 1880 features a 4-wheel drive, 4WD, system, providing good traction and a large load capacity, helping to transport logs or pull heavy equipment in dense forest environments. This is a reliable choice for work in the forest. Wood splitters are often designed simply but very sturdy, including main parts such as the engine, splitting blade, machine frame and wood table. The engine can use gasoline, oil or electricity to operate, depending on the needs of use. The splitting blade is made of stainless steel or hard materials to ensure durability and the ability to cut through large logs. The Morbark 1300 is a powerful industrial crusher, specialized in wood and green waste processing. With a durable design and high-capacity engine, the machine is capable of quickly crushing tree trunks, branches, and other organic materials into humus or small chips. The advanced operating system of Morbark 1300 helps save fuel, reduce noise and increase work efficiency. This is the ideal choice for wood recycling projects, organic fertilizer production, or bioenergy. In a sparse forest, amidst the misty space, an old man with white hair and beard walked beside his loyal dog. On the back of the wooden horse, a huge tree trunk was tied tightly, ready for the journey home. The Vimek AM300 is a versatile chainsaw designed for working in hard-to-reach forest areas. With its lightweight and compact size, the machine is suitable for logging in areas with complex terrain. The AM300 is flexible in movement and is equipped with an advanced control system that makes it easy for the operator to operate. In particular, the machine is equipped with features that optimize work performance, providing safety and efficiency in logging. The Udmiser LX50 Super is a portable band saw designed for precise and efficient wood cutting. With its large cutting capacity and advanced features, the LX50 Super is ideal for wood cutting jobs in the workshop or on site. It features easy-to-use controls, a powerful and durable motor, and outstanding performance in producing quality wood. Direct Mini Skid is a small machine, designed to work in narrow and hard-to-reach spaces. With flexible mobility and outstanding power for its size, Direct Mini Skid is often used for heavy-duty work such as transporting materials, digging, leveling or clearing areas with complex terrain. The machine can be equipped with various accessories, helping to improve work efficiency in fields such as construction, agriculture and landscaping. Thank you for joining us for this epic event. Top Moments TV if you enjoyed seeing these powerful machines in action. Like and subscribe for more. We'll be back with more thrills. Content. See you next time.